In this session, I'll show you how to create color gradients in Illustrator. We still need this circle, and revert to the default color, by clicking this default fill and stroke button. Apart from that, I will close this color and swatches panel first. And open the gradient panel in the window menu. You just have to look for it there. Let's say we're going to give the fill a gradient color. So the first thing, is to activate the fill box by left-clicking to bring it up. Okay, let's go to this gradient panel. By default, we will get a black and white gradient color. Left-click on this gradient annotator to directly apply it to the circle fill. In this gradient panel, we get three types of gradients. The first is the linear gradient, radials, and freeform gradient. Let's focus on the linear gradient first. To form a gradient color, we need more than two colors. We can see it in the gradient annotator over here. As you can see, this gradient annotator consists of two colors, namely white on the color stop on the left, and black on the color stop on the right. We can change the color of this color stop by double-clicking on it. Double-click the white color stop, and it will open the swatches panel. Choose one color. After that, click anywhere outside this swatches panel to close it. Then do the same for the black color stop. Double-click, and choose a color. Besides that, we can still add other colors to this gradient by adding a new color stop. Just hover your cursor between the two existing color stops. If a plus sign appears on your cursor, it means you just have to click to add a new color stop. Double-click to change the color. You can add as many color stops here, and it's not limited to as many as you need. Besides that, we can also change the angle of the gradient. Just click this drop-down menu, to get several angle options. For example, I gave it an angle of 45 degrees. Next, we move on to the radial gradient. We simply click on this radial gradient type, to convert it to a radial gradient. Conversely, if we want to remove one of these colors, we just click and drag this color stop away from the gradient annotator. Like so. And the last gradient type, is the freeform gradient. Just left-click this button to activate it. Now we get a different look with the previous two gradient types. If linear and radial gradients we work using gradient annotators and color stop, then this freeform gradient we only use color stops. Activate these points to create a gradient with points. Just left-click anywhere inside the circle to give it a color stop. After that, you can change the color of each of these anchor points by double-clicking on them. You can place these color stops anywhere as long as they're inside the circle. Otherwise, you can move them around to get different gradient effects. The second alternative to drawing gradients with this freeform gradient is to use lines. Enable the lines type next to the points type. And start drawing a line with some color stops inside the circle. After that, you can change the color of each of these anchor points by double-clicking on them. I think this is a simple way for you to understand how to create gradient colors in Illustrator, using these three methods, namely linear gradient, radial gradient, and freeform gradient. The rest, you can practice on your own, using the material I prepared in the coloring episode in this Illustrator guide course. And in the next episode, I will talk about important points that must be mastered if you want to improve your Illustrator skills to the next level.